How do you fix Skype cannot react to message? First things first, Skype has been officially discontinued as of 2025. So you simply have to use the officially new integrated Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and launch the application itself. From here, go ahead and open any of the chat panel. Now you have to start by performing a long press on a body of the message bubble. Once you find it, go ahead and long press it. You should be able to find the react option over here. Now, once you tap and long press that message itself, you should be able to find the reaction panel over here at the top. Select any of these options and here you go. This is how you can fix the cannot react message option. Also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, because if you don't have strong or better Wi-Fi connection, sometimes the message might take some time to load up. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.